the autonomous truck-mounted attenuator. Safety is the top priority. That's why FDOT is using cutting-edge technology to keep their projects safe. Adkins Global, Kratos Defense, and Royal Trucks are supporting FDOT's vision by using autonomous, driverless trucks to help protect workers in the field. These vehicles monitor surrounding traffic and create a barrier for lead vehicles. This minimizes direct threat from distracted drivers and oncoming traffic. The autonomous TMA vehicle is programmed to follow the lead vehicle at a safe distance. The autonomous vehicle also has a display, which shows the current speed limit and the speed limit of the car directly behind it. If the group of vehicles are causing a queue to form, the lead vehicle can pull over, and the ATMA will pull over as well. When traffic is cleared, the vehicles can get back on the road and resume their work. By utilizing this advanced technology, FDOT is making a safer future for their team and the public.